Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you the most honest and detailed beauty product reviews. Today, we're diving into the Master Massage 31-inch Santana Therma Top Portable Massage Table Package, a piece of equipment designed to elevate your massage or beauty treatment experience. This massage table promises comfort, durability, and ease of use, all wrapped up in a portable design. Let's take a closer look at how it performs in real-world testing. The Santana Master Massage Table weighs in at a relatively light 37 pounds, making it incredibly portable. Whether you're a mobile therapist or you simply want the flexibility to move your table from room to room, this massage bed is designed for convenience. It's equipped with double luggage-style clasps for secure transport, and its adjustable height, ranging from 24-inch to 34-inch star, ensures it can be customized to suit any client or therapist's needs. For those of you who often work in different settings, this feature alone is a major plus. When it comes to comfort, the 3-inch thick cushion, made of multi-layer small cell foam, combined with a layer of memory foam, provides an impressive amount of support. The PU upholstery is not only sleek in design, but is also oil and water resistant, which is perfect for beauty professionals who need to clean up quickly between treatments. The mountain red color adds a touch of sophistication while also making sure the table remains functional and stylish. So if you're looking for comfort for your clients, this table checks that box. Now let's talk about build quality. The table is constructed using European polished beechwood legs, which offer exceptional strength and durability, going beyond what's required by the California Air Resources Board, CARB. This means you're getting a product that's not only safe for you and your clients, but is also built to last. And with 1,000 pounds airport-grade steel support cables, the table has an impressive working capacity of 750 pounds, which means it can comfortably support a wide range of clients. In terms of design and stability, the Santana Master Massage Table excels. It offers robust, steady support without any wobbling or creaking, even during extended use. This level of strength ensures that your focus can remain on delivering excellent treatments instead of worrying about the stability of your equipment. As for the complete accessories package, it comes with all the extras you might need: an ergonomic Dream adjustable face cradle, a memory foam face cushion, a fully padded armrest shelf, and even a 2-pocket carrying case. These thoughtful inclusions really enhance the overall experience, ensuring both comfort for the client and convenience for the therapist. Now let's look at the pros and cons. On the plus side, this table's lightweight portability, superior comfort, and high weight capacity make it a top contender for anyone in the beauty or wellness field. The memory foam cushion is especially impressive, providing lasting comfort for clients during long sessions. Plus, the accessories package is really comprehensive, giving you everything you need for a smooth, professional treatment. On the flip side, the table might be a bit larger than what some mobile therapists are used to. Its 31-inch width is spacious, which is great for comfort, but it may not fit in smaller treatment rooms as easily. Additionally, while the mountain red upholstery is beautiful, it might not be the color preference for everyone, though that's more of a personal choice. As for value for money, the price tag on this table reflects its high-quality construction and materials. With durable features like CFC-free upholstery, memory foam, and the steel support cables, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. The complete accessory set also adds value, making this table a solid investment for those who need a reliable, comfortable, and sturdy massage or beauty bed. When comparing this table to similar products in the market, you'll find that while some options are cheaper, they often lack the same durability and high-end features. There are portable tables available at a lower price point, but the Santana Master Massage Table stands out due to its superior construction, high weight capacity, and added features like the memory foam and adjustable face cradle. In terms of build quality and longevity, this table is designed to last. The beechwood legs are durable, and the steel support cables offer a high level of sturdiness. If properly cared for, this table will provide years of reliable service, and the PU upholstery is easy to wipe down, ensuring longevity in terms of both looks and function. Regarding customer support, I didn't have any direct interaction with the brand's team, but based on customer feedback, Master Massage is known for providing excellent service, responding promptly to inquiries, and addressing issues quickly. If any issues were to arise, I would expect a smooth resolution process. If you're on the lookout for more affordable alternatives, there are options available, but they may not offer the same level of quality and features. The Santana Master Massage Table stands at the higher end of the price spectrum, but for those in need of top-tier comfort and durability, it could be worth the investment. In conclusion, the Master Massage Santana Therma Top Portable Massage Table is a solid choice for professionals who need a reliable, comfortable, and sturdy table. The memory foam cushioning, adjustable height, and high weight capacity are real selling points, and the inclusion of all the accessories is a thoughtful touch. It's a great fit for those who prioritize both comfort and durability, though it may not be the best fit for those with limited space or on a tighter budget. If this review was helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you've used this table or have any questions, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.